In the past few months, we have heard a lot about the multiple capabilities of artificial intelligence in several uses, such as creating images, writing topics, or discussing as humans do. Machine learning algorithms provided by companies such as OpenAI and Midjourney have great capabilities in some disciplines such as drawing art paintings, creating designs, writing, and speaking. At the beginning of 2021, OpenAI provided us with the first machine learning model capable of generating images by describing with the words DALL based on 12 million factors. And it developed that model and gave it the ability to create higher quality images in the second version DALL 2, which I presented in 2022 and made it publicly available for the first time, where you can log in and write a description of the image that you want the robot to create, and it will give you realistic images of what you have described, and this has caused a sensation. All of these applications depend on a mechanism known as natural language processing, NLP, a mechanism that Google began developing since 2017 with the aim of enabling its search engine to understand human language. To provide the best possible search results for them, among what Google has produced using these mechanisms is Lambda AI conversational model, and it is the first application to use transformer architecture. But it has not been made public yet. The first to use this architecture and release it to the public was OpenAI, which currently owns 49% of Microsoft, and intends to include its ChatGPT 3 language model in its Bing search engine. Differences between DALL and DALL 2. The first version of DALL was introduced in January of 2021, but it was not available for public use like the second version launched last year 2022. Between this and that, there are several differences that are clear to the eyes, including that the first version was only searching for images that are compatible with the written text, without any addition, while the second version used a technique known as the diffusion model, which is a technology that simply starts its work by searching for compatible images with the written text. After that, you follow a specific pattern that is random points, and then you change the distribution pattern of. The two versions also differed in the quality and realism of the images, as the first version produced images closer to cartoonish, while the second version now offers more realism in the images, so that you may not differentiate between them and images designed by humans, as the images contain more details, and they are distinguished by their high quality. Finally, one of the most important features of the DALL 2 version over the first version is that it produces more than one copy of one command, to provide you with a variety of different images from different angles and in different ways. It didn't take long until OpenAI provided us with a very advanced artificial intelligence model capable of conversation called ChatGPT 3. That robot is able to dialogue and answer any question asked by the user, and it impressed everyone who used this robot and give you answers to any question that may come to your mind, and this gave us a glimpse of what the interface of all search engines and personal assistants might be in the future, and this is what the robot told us when we asked it what it could do. I can answer questions, compose texts, and perform various language-related tasks such as translating, summarizing, supplementing texts, creating texts, classifying texts, and more. I am trained on a large database of texts, so I can understand and answer many different questions and topics. In addition to that, I can learn from new examples and keep improving over time. Here is a list of some of the things ChatGPT 3 can do. Answer questions. Creating texts, such as writing essays, or stories. Summarizing texts. Translation. Writing poetry or composing songs. Chat or have a conversation. Help writing code. Do you need to download ChatGPT? Currently, ChatGPT 3 is available via website on the internet, so there is no need to download it, and until this moment OpenAI has not launched an official application either on computers or on smartphones. So you have to be careful what you find when you search for ChatGPT on application stores, because all the applications that exist at the time are fake applications that are specially designed to steal your data or harm your phone. Do not install them. As for if you want to download it to your computer, it is currently available for download via GitHub, but there is no need for that if you are not a developer who wants to integrate it into his application or website, because as I mentioned above, it is available for free without downloading. First, how to use DALL 2 and ChatGPT 3. To access DALL and ChatGPT, you must have an OpenAI account, and registering with them through their site is very simple, but given the pressure on the company's servers, They limit the countries allowed to. Here are the steps. Open the registration link, openai.com/API/login. Enter your email address and set a password. Check your email to receive the verification link. After you verify the account, write your first name and surname. Enter your phone number. Enter the confirmation code that you will receive in a message. Congratulations, you now have an OpenAI account. With this account, you can use the services provided by the company and try new models, such as DALL and ChatGPT. A chatbot based on 175 billion workers at the moment. You can visit the labs. OpenAI.com and register with the same account to view DALL and its capabilities. If you live in one of the countries that are not supported by the services of that, has a lot of amazing stuff. Second, how to use Midjourney AI to create images. Accessing the Midjourney bot experience that is able to create images through description is easy, as all that is required of you is to have an account on the social platform Discord. If you have an account, visit midjourney.com and hit the Join the Beta button, which will direct you to the company's server on the Discord app. Connected to the bot, you'll hit the Accept Invitation button, and congratulations, you're now available to try out the Midjourney AI bot capable of producing pictures. The next step, you will go to one of the newbies channels that you will find in the list on the left side. In the dialog box, you will first type the symbol, followed by the word imagine, and then add anything you want the robot to imagine and draw into an image. After pressing the submit button, you will wait for about a minute until you receive 4 options for the image that you described created by the robot. After Midjourney has created 4 images, you will be presented with options to upscale one of the images by pressing U followed by the image number, or you can press V. If you want the bot to create different variations, of the same image. In this way, you can now use the most popular artificial intelligence applications such as DALL 2, ChatGPT 3, and Midjourney. But remember, in the end, these models do not dispense, until this moment, with human intervention in the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one.